For now, can you please give Michael Rodriguez a very warm welcome to the stage?
All right. Wait for my slides to come up here. All right. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm thrilled to be here at the world's first Litecoin Summit. As you already heard, my name is Michael Rodriguez. Some of you may already know me, though, as Majestic84 online. That's right. If you posted the roller coaster meme at any time, I'm the guy that removed it. So I've been involved in the Litecoin community since around 2013. Since then, I've contributed quite a bit. I created a PHP RPC wrapper for Litecoin D. I also created a Laravel wrapper, so you can use the same tools for building Litecoin or Laravel applications. I created the price tickers on Litecoin and Litecoin markets, the hourly news aggregator on Litecoin markets, the pseudo markets game on there, and I've also contributed quite a bit to the Litecore Lib and Litecore Explorers libraries. Now I have the great pleasure of working for Zulu Republic as their lead developer for Litecoin products and services, and I really feel like I have the best job in the world. I get to do the stuff that I love most, creating useful applications, with the cryptocurrency that I love most, which is Litecoin. When I first spoke to Daniele, the CEO of Zulu Republic, back in April, and he explained to me his vision for Zulu Republic and Litecoin, I instantly fell in love. While most people were bickering about bear markets and crying about how Charlie sold his coins, Daniele was focusing on building a user-centric Litecoin experience that could truly impact the world. Which brings me to Lite.IM. Just a few weeks ago, we unveiled the first piece of this project, which some of you in this room have probably tried. It's our Telegram bot. The bot was astoundingly well received. Lots of people are actively using it right now. We have over 1,000 users making several transactions per day. And we've received lots of great feedback, which I really appreciate. Why Telegram, though? Some people ask. Well, this is much more than just about Telegram. See, Lite.IM is about adoption. It's about bringing Litecoin to people who need it the most, making it available to them in as many ways as possible to ensure that everyone has a way to participate. Why Litecoin, then? Well, I know I'm preaching to the choir here. We all love Litecoin. But Litecoin is just a perfect fit for our vision. It's fast, with average confirmation times of about 4 minutes. It's reliable, with an immutable blockchain that goes back to the Genesis block. It's secure, with one of the highest hash rates out of all cryptocurrencies. And it's cheap, with most transactions costing less than 10 cents. And best of all, it has an amazing community that's enthusiastic and full of support. These are just some of the reasons why we love and use Litecoin, but it's also the reason why we've chosen it as the foundation for what we feel is the perfect use case for Litecoin, which are remittances. Remittances is a transfer of money by a foreign worker to an individual in their home country. I'll tell you, if you go to a grocery store, I'm from Miami, if you go to a grocery store on a Friday afternoon, payday, there'll be a line of people waiting at the customer service desk, waiting to send a Western Union transaction to their home countries. There's so many things wrong with this. For one, Western Union is expensive. The average transaction costing between $10, $20, or even more, depending on the country you're sending to. It's also very slow. It could take multiple days before the person on the receiving end will actually see that money. Moreover, with over $500 billion in remittances sent to developing countries in just 2017 alone, you can imagine how much of this money did not end up in the pockets of the people who need it the most. Litecoin solves all of these problems, though. It's cheap, allowing for more money to end up in the pockets of its recipients. It's fast. They can have their money almost instantly. It's private and secure, preventing corrupt governments from stealing or skimming from the top, from the less fortunate. When you look at countries like Argentina, for example, whose national currency has been inflated beyond comprehension, we've seen a dependency on shady black markets for USD. If you hold your earnings in your national currency, it may be worth a fraction of what it was worth by the time you need to spend it for your life essentials. So you turn to the black market to buy a currency that retains its value, such as the US dollar. And this is what is happening in numerous countries, in Central and South America and Africa and other parts of the world. These black markets for US dollars are dangerous, they're considered illegal, and they're expensive. But by empowering people to be their own banks, to receive a currency that can be exchanged instantly, a currency that's far more stable than their own national currencies, that is how these technologies, particularly Litecoin, can change the world. For this to work, though, we need to provide these people with ways to use Litecoin. These are the people who could benefit from Litecoin the most, but they don't have free and open access to the internet. They don't have smartphones in their pockets. They probably don't even have a computer at home. So it's important to develop ways for users to interact with Litecoin that may seem useless to those of us in developed nations. This is why we're passionate about Lite.IM. We started with Telegram because it's the most widely used chat program with one of the most secure networks. It also served for us as a proof of concept for our next vision, which was bringing Lite.IM to SMS. And that's why I'm pleased to announce today that Lite.IM is officially rolled out on SMS by texting the number you see on the screen here. 760 is the San Francisco area code, and Lite.IM 0. So that's 760-548-3460. Thank you. We're planning on rolling this out to more countries soon with plans to roll out USSD in developing countries. USSD is sort of like what we know as top-off menus, where you sort of like access a portal that's provided by your provider, and it'll be a simple menu, really easy to use interface. And this is a platform that's used a lot in developing countries, especially in parts of Africa. So we're planning on bringing this technology to that platform as well. What's even more cool is if you already have a wallet with Lite.IM on Telegram, our system will recognize you and connect you to the same wallet. Better yet, we're interconnecting all of these services. So if you're a user who uses Lite.IM on Telegram, you can send to a user who only has access via SMS, or vice versa. And as we continue to add platforms to our ecosystem, the possibilities are endless. So just imagine if you could send Litecoin from your regular web wallet to email, from Telegram to SMS, from WeChat to Facebook Messenger. You get the idea. If you send us a Raven with a QR code, we will process it. We are the first blockchain company to seamlessly connect multiple networks with the Litecoin network, and we see great potential here. This is a phenomenal use case for cryptocurrency, especially for Litecoin. We have more plans in store for Lite.IM, and I can't wait to tell you all more about it as soon as I'm able to. In addition to these exciting new products, we're also rolling out, in addition to these exciting new products that we're rolling out, you may have also heard that we recently acquired LiteVault. LiteVault, for those of you who don't know, is a trustless web wallet that's been around for quite some time with over 100,000 users. It's been a great service over the years, and we saw the potential to make it better. So we're rebuilding the site from the ground up, using our cutting-edge design and implementations, giving this reputable platform the improvements that it deserves. What's more, we're planning to integrate these users into the robust ecosystem we've built for Lite.IM, connecting even more people together in ways that haven't been done before. I'm excited about what we have planned for LiteVault, and I also can't wait to tell you about those features soon. So in conclusion, we made Lite.IM to empower the unbanked, those whose national currencies are unstable and whose governments are corrupt. Our goal is to connect these people to this technology in as many ways as possible, to allow these people to transact with Litecoin like money without needing to exchange to fiat, without needing to deal with the black market for dollars. And we're building upon LiteVault and its 100,000 plus user base to bring the newest features such as SegWit adoption and BEC32 adder support, but moreover to enhance the user experience and aesthetics to make it more modern and user-friendly. And we're integrating this user base with our other products, bringing forth an environment that connects more people to Litecoin than ever before. Thank you for your attention. I'd like to give a shout out to Max and Tucker and the rest of our team that couldn't make it here today. Also to Jose Castellanos for his contributions to our code base. And again, my name is Michael Rodriguez. I'm with Zulu Republic, and thank you for your attention.